Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Wi-Fi network with Sharp Smart TV. To do this, first we'll need to open the settings in the top right corner of the screen, navigate to Network and Internet. Then scroll down and make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled like that. Then scroll down and look for any available networks. It may take a while to detect them. And when it's found, just choose whichever network you have the password for. Enter the password as the next step. And that way you'll be able to connect with the Wi-Fi network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.